Actually, one day I got the one call from one foreigner. Actually, he came to India, and he came to India. He was asthmatic patient, so he needed some medicine. And one of my friend, he gave my number to that foreigner, and he called me.
Hello. Hi,
He
good
told,
evening.
hello, yes,
Welcome to my YouTube
good
channel.
evening, good evening. How are you?
I am also doing great. Thanks
Thank
a
you
lot.
for. Okay,
So, as
okay.
you
I'm also fine, enjoying life.
are very good. So, as you are for the first time on my YouTube channel, so please tell something about yourself and please introduce a little bit about yourself.
Okay, thank you. First thing, thank you for giving me opportunity. And I am Harish Bhave. I am from MP, Madhya Pradesh. I am a businessman. I have my own medical retail shop, pharmacy business. And from last 20 years, I am doing the same business. I have two kids, and we all are enjoying life.
That's great. And shall I introduce myself? My name is Rashmi Singh, and I'm a teacher by profession, and I have two lovely kids. So very recently, I would say I have just started this YouTube channel, and like 2 months or maybe 1 month back, I would say I have started the collaboration sessions, and I really find it very enjoying and it's really interesting for me. I'm really enjoying and loving my job, what I'm doing nowadays. Actually, I'm also discovering what else I can do along with my teaching profession. And so because I feel blessed, this is an this is a great opportunity to connect with somebody, to knowing about them. So that's all about me. Along with that, my hobbies are
Very
like
good.
reading books, traveling, and I really love to invest time with my family, with my kids, and that's all about it. And if you
Very
tell
good.
me
Very good.
a little bit about your hobbies and your family.
Okay. So first of all, I would say that best of luck for your YouTube journey, because
Thank
this
you
is
so
the
much.
one of the best. Here you can excel. It is means sky is the limit for you, so you
Mm,
can go at any level. It is, the sky is open for you, I can say.
mm, right. So
Okay,
thank you so
so
much.
okay, I am telling about my family. I have, as I told you, I have two kids, and they are all school-going kids,
Mm.
and my wife is also in job. So yes, we all are enjoying life. I said earlier also.
So I would like to ask you one thing. As you are saying, you have business, like you are doing your pharmacy job, and for the last 20 years you are doing it, and you are quite enjoying your life as well. So what are those things and what are those concerns? Why you are on these collaboration sessions, like learning English? What inspired you to start this learning
Okay,
English journey?
very nice question. Actually, I belong to a very small district place. Here, there is no need to speak English with my
Mm,
customer or with my relatives or with my friends also, because we are
mm,
happy with what we speak, Hindi especially. But what happened? Actually, one day I got the one call from
mm,
one foreigner. Actually, he came to India, and he came to India. He was asthmatic patient, so he needed some medicine. And one
mm,
of my friend, he gave my number to that foreigner, and he called me. I think 1 year back, he called me, and that day, actually, the foreigners, they speak very fast,
mm,
and what he said, I could not got, and literally, I am telling you. That day, I put his call down, saying, "No, I do not have such type of drugs. I
mm,
don't deal in injectables."
mm,
Like I said to him, and I put his call down. I am
mm.
telling you, that was the turning point of my whole journey. And that day, I was disturbed. I was thinking that I could not answer him. What is the means? I am 48-year-old, but I could not answer his call. Like that, I was talking to myself. And that day, I am telling you, literally, I was very nervous. I was very furious, I can say, or humiliated. I was feeling humiliated, and the whole day I was disturbed. Whole night I could not sleep because of that incident. And that night I took a oath that now I have to do, means I can do anything, but I have to speak good English. And that was my, means that day I took a oath that I will be a good speaker anyhow. And from that day till today, I am continuously practicing, and now you can see I am speaking. And
Yeah.
I can say that this language is, you can easily learn, but you must be focused. You must be, consistency is very important.
Point when you mentioned this story. It's a beautiful story, I'll say, in your life. Because there's
Uh,
sometimes there would be some incident. It happens to everybody, I would say. But there are few people who take it like, no, this should not happen with me again. Because as you mentioned, he was the asthmatic patient, or anyone in his family was an asthmatic person. So maybe they were in the need of the drugs, and as because of your job is to supply drugs to everybody, and you were not capable of giving the drugs because of this language. Maybe you have that drug, but you didn't catch up with his words and all. So that night you didn't sleep well, even you was mentioning. So that is the point. I always mention this with my students in the college as well. You have to understand, we all get some few points in our life. There are always some triggering points where you have to think about it. What is wrong with me? What is wrong with me? And you did that well. You just hold that incident very well, and I am seeing you're not speaking like a very good job you have done a few. And this is a story of how long back? What is that? When this
almost
happened?
9 to 10 months. I think 10 months or 11 months. I think.
Oh my God!
It was.
So, have you tried to speak to any foreigner after that, or like we listened in the podcast? Now you understand.
Now I understand. I talk with them also. In one group I was there, and I talk with foreigners. Now there is no hesitation
no
or
because
nothing.
Because
no
you
issue.
take it like that. No, this is the one thing. This is coming in my profession. This is like an obstacle in my profession. This language is an obstacle, and you removed it. That's great too. That's a very beautiful story, I would say. And you just, I would say, you take that incident as changing positively, or as a revolutionary thing in your life. I have to better on it, and have to do better in my English language, and you did it.
Actually, from that day, I am telling you, first 3-4 months, I was very disturbed. I was only thinking that what should I do to improve my communication skill. Because that time I was listening, I was reading, I could not speak, but I can do two things: reading and listening. But still, I could not get the right direction because again I am thinking that I am listening more than 2-3 hours, I am reading more than 1 hour, still I am not improving, because it is gradually you can improve. Today it is patience. Yes, one thing I learned from this all episode, that you have to give time, you must be patient, you must be consistent. And if you are consistent, then within 4-5 months you will get the change and you can improve. But 4 months at least you have to give.
Yes, you're right. So my next question is, like, as you have mentioned, such a beautiful story which triggered you to learn this language. Now, how has your English learning journey been so far, and what challenges have you faced while learning this language? And as I can see, you are speaking also, like, beautifully you are speaking. So how you are seeing and how you have faced those challenges which came in your
very nice question. And for your viewers, what I am saying, please listen. If they will listen and they will implement, then they will also become a good speaker, no doubt in that. Because I am telling you the real thing, what I did. And what I did, actually, I listen a lot. Still, I am listening. And what I did, the new trick, because many people listen, but they are not listen. What I did, I listened one video at least 3 to 4 times. 3 to 4 times. And I am telling you that 3 times, 4 times listening changed entire my prospect, I can say. Because when I listened that video first time, I get only 20 to 30%. But when I listened same video second time, I got more than 70%. Third to fourth time, I got 100%. How they are talking, what they are talking, how they are using the articles, where they are using the articles, where they are laughing in mid conversation. So I observe all the things, and it helps me very nicely.
Okay, you are talking about verbal communication and non-verbal communication. Both you have observed. Actually, both are important when we communicating in any language. These both skills are very important. So that means listening and re-listening is a very important trick, or you can say strategy, to learn this language. I would also say, I would also agree with you. And we have learned our mother tongue this way. We have only listened in our childhood, and then one day we started like broken. First we started like broken, and then we started making small sentences and then long sentences. This happens like this only, and this is not a overnight thing. I would also say, I also agree with you. So the next thing I would like to
Yes.
ask you, as you mentioned about some groups, you joined some groups. So what are some groups? What are those methods or tools to use you use to improve your language, as well as what kind of, like, where people are talking about partner. If there's a partner whom you are speaking, so have you used any talking apps? Like there are so many apps nowadays. And what about those groups? How
Yes,
people
yes.
can
No,
join those groups?
no. Actually, as I said you earlier, that I belong to a very small district place. Here, I'm not
Hmm.
getting the atmosphere.
No.
That was the main problem I was facing. So I created the atmosphere via joining such type of groups. And in that group, whenever I get the opportunity, I speak more than 2 minutes, 3 minutes. So by doing that, I overcome my hesitation. And now I am free. I can talk. You can ask me anything. You can give me any topic, random topic you can give. I can speak about that topic 4 to 5 minutes. Now because I know how to make sentences and how to add the sentences. So now it is means I don't have any problem. You can ask me anything, I can reply.
Because we have knowledge about everything, like we read newspaper, we are
Yes.
updated with all the current topics, but what is going on in politics and everything. But the language came as a barrier in our talking. And when you have command on the
Yes.
language as well, then you can express yourself because you have knowledge. And yeah,
Yes.
you
Yes.
overcome that thing. So
And we
as you have mentioned group, is there most of the people are talking about, there are some groups which have joined. Is it like any WhatsApp group or Telegram group? Is there
Yeah, WhatsApp group, Telegram groups. Yes.
okay. So how one can join in these groups? Because I
Yeah,
also
there
don't
are a
have much
lot of
idea about
groups.
these things. I also don't have
Okay,
idea.
okay. No, someone added me in one, two groups,
Hmm.
and I am fully involved in that group. Whenever I am free, I attend
So
that such type of sessions. And
so you came to know about those groups with from your friends, or
yes,
any
yes.
videos or anything like that. Okay.
Yeah, some YouTubers they added me
Sometimes
to
they
three
suggest.
YouTube.
Okay. That's very nice, Radishji. So next question is like, as your family is also with you, living with you, so in mostly you connect with people like on YouTube, or when you shoot any video, it's like evening time, because then you are free from your work. So how does your family support or encourage you in your English? Like they have any problem why you are going in the room, or
No, no. Actually, what happened? The first 3 or 6 months, that time I was always in a closed room. I always talk with in closed room only. But after that, they know now they are saying, okay, you are doing great job. Keep it up.
yeah, I can understand, because initially when we start something, everyone they just look like weird thing they are doing. What
Yes,
is
yes,
this? Why they are so much involved in this language learning
yes,
process, and from whom they are connecting. But yes, after some time they get to know, they realize no, it's important for his or him. So for his good, we have to support it. Like my family also supported me like that, because my kids are not very they're very young, and my boy is like 8 years old and girl is like 12 years old. So they know now mama is inside the room, we don't have to disturb her for 1 hour at least.
Hmm.
So that's how
Hmm.
things go. And now it's quite it's a norm, like yeah, after 7 to 8 or 8 to 9, if mama is going to the room, we don't have to disturb her, we don't have to ask anything for her. And
Yes.
that time they just go to the park or play. So we have to give some time to us. Do you think self improvement is very important at all the age, like what to say, or at all the ages, when you are like 14 to 15 or 20 to 25, like you have mentioned, you are more than 40, I think, for near approximately, or 40 years old.
48. Yes.
Yeah, so it's a mind blowing. So I am asking this: is any age thing coming in your way? No, it is at this time. I'm not going to improve. At this time, I'm not going to learn this language.
Nothing like that. Actually, if your mindset is clear and you know that I want to do something or I want to achieve this, for that automatically you get the energy. And when you are in right direction, and if you repeatedly say that no, I have to be a good speaker, I have to be a good speaker. Anyhow, I have to work hard. I have to put more time. I have to give means I have to learn more. And if such type of things comes in your mind, means automatically you get the positive energy and you go with the flow and you achieve that thing. Because
Wow.
that's why I'm telling you that mindset is
Very important. I would say one thing: you are an example of rather what age group you belong. There, nothing matters.
Yes.
Everything is your mindset, and it is nothing to do with what is your background, nothing to do with what is your age. You can learn any skill at any stage of your life, at any stage of your.
Even I am telling you, one of my friend, he asked me why you are learning, what you will get, because I do not want to crack any interview. I do not go for any job. Like I told him, no, I want to improve myself. I want to be a good communicator. And if I will communicate nicely, the business means I can do good business also in other countries.
You will better
Yes,
understand people.
yes.
You can join the seminars. You can join the conferences, which are mostly takes place in English only. So this is a global language. It is always good to be. It would be great for your growth as well, your career, your growth. So yeah, I would say that's a great thing you have done. Sorry. So next thing I would like to ask you, where do you see yourself after learning English fluently? And do you have a dream or goal connected with it? I would like to ask you about, like, are you planning to go abroad or anything like that? Is in your mind?
Yes. Actually, 3 months back, I was planning to go to UK, but unfortunately, I could not go. The visa problem was also there. But now I am thinking that next year I will go. And yes, and other than going there, I actually I am very extrovert, so I know. And I'm very expressive also. So if I will learn this new language, it will be better for my future life also.
Future life as well. Okay, I just like, I'm so inquisitive about few things. So I would like to ask you. I'm really very happy to connect with you, because it's giving me a new energy, a new kind of vibes are coming from you, I would say. So I would like to ask you, do you agree with me? There are many things in life. Sometimes, until unless we are not exposed to that facet of life, this is just like English was a new facet of life in your life. New facet in your life. It adds a new facet. Are you now able to see the world in a different way? Initially, it was limited to a particular area. Now, whole world is open. Like new world is open for you. It is something like that. Have you realized anything like that?
Yes. Even I am telling you, when I was last year, also 2 years back, before that Corona time, that time also we were planning to go abroad, but that time I was very afraid. I was thinking that how I will speak English there or like that. I was thinking, but now I am confident that if I will go any country, now I don't have to worry. I can talk with them.
I will manage.
Yeah.
Yes, right. I do agree with that. So anything you want to ask to me, Harishi?
So you are taking classes also?
No. I'm just only involved in, like, I'm not very active on YouTube. If you talk about my YouTube journey, I will tell you, I just started it for my students initially. Like, they are like BSc students, and as I have seen them to struggling with English language, and they treated it as foreign language. And English is so important language nowadays, as we have already discussing about this thing. And they are just taking it like foreign language, and they have to give exams that would be in English. The interview will be in English. The books are in English. Good books are in English, and you have to understand research. If you are wanting to go or exploring to the higher studies, you need the English language. And because of that, I felt like, I am a zoology teacher, science teacher, but I felt like, oh my God, first I have to teach them, like, you understand the value of English. And then I started like taking 10 to 15 minutes of my class to teach them, like general introduction, self introduction, if you're going for the interview, and now what is the commonly used phrases, how you can learn it, how you can for your whole day activity, you just write it and show me in the class. I just started to like motivating them, developing a habit, and I've seen transformation. I just realized they are transforming, not only in their language skill, but their confidence and attitude. Everything started changing. Few of them cracked some exam as well. And then I thought at that time, why not to take this initiative beyond this classroom? And that's how I started
Very
this
good.
YouTube channel. And what I teach in the class, what I taught in the class, I just started posting on my YouTube channel. I didn't have any knowledge
Very
about it.
good.
I just started, and gradually I just understand how to do it, and how to. Now I am quite active. Like 2 or 3 months back, I have just started this collaboration sessions. I've also made some solo videos to, like, some techniques how you can improve your spoken language, and now
Okay.
I'm really enjoying it, I would say. And I
Okay.
also,
Well,
it's
actually,
like a,
why I ask you,
it's
why
also
I
like
ask
a
you that
new,
question?
it's a new facet in my life. That's why I asked you. Yeah, really, YouTube is
Okay.
just
Okay.
that facet in my life. I didn't know much about it, but now I would say really enjoying it. Yes, please, you do say what you're
Okay. Actually, why I ask you that question? Actually, now I am thinking that
saying.
I am in that stage. It is make or break stage. Because
Mm,
if I will polish myself, then I will be a good speaker.
mm,
Or if I will live here only, then
mm,
after 1 year I will become the same what I was in 2 years back. So
mm.
that's why I ask you
To
that now
continue.
if I will polish myself, and
Mm,
if I will, if someone, some mentor help me,
mm.
so I will means I will
Yeah,
go
yeah.
with
You will,
next level.
yeah,
Next
like
level.
advanced level, like advanced level.
Yes, yes.
I'm also striving for that advanced level. So I'm also learning a lot. I would say you, initially I helped my
Okay.
students, and now I am learning so much, so many things from this YouTube.
Yeah.
And it's like, okay, very nice thing. So
Okay.
thank you so much. It's time
Okay.
ticking, and so thank you
Okay.
so much
Okay.
for coming and
Thank you.
sharing your these beautiful ideas. And I was really inspired by your story, I would say. And thank you so much. It's a
Okay. Thank
beautiful
you.
conversation. Okay,
Okay. Thank
okay,
you.
bye. Goodbye. Good night.